Atkins Civil 3D Video Series, SPD4 Front and Back Sheet Production Drawings. This video illustrates A. Create front-end sheet production drawings, title sheet, index and quantities, right-of-way and survey, construction phasing, erosion control, and demolition. B. Create back-end SPD drawings, pavement striping plan, details. And C. Create miscellaneous SPD drawings, road typical sections. There are a number of drawings required for the complete set of construction drawings, which are prepared using standard AutoCAD procedures. Several of these drawings are located at the front of a published set of construction drawings, which generally include the title sheet, index and quantities, right-of-way and survey control, phase construction, erosion control, demolition, and the road typical section. The various objects for these drawings are prepared and saved in the Drawings Design folder. The SPD drawings are prepared and saved in the Drawings Production folder. The title sheet SPD drawing contains one sheet and it starts with number 1. The index and quantity SPD drawing contains 2 sheets, with the first sheet containing the general location map and the index to sheets. And the second sheet, or sheet number 3, contains the estimated quantities, the test logs, and the general notes. The right-of-way and survey control SPD drawing contains 2 sheets setting forth the stationing, survey control, and the right-of-way and easements. The phase construction SPD drawing contains 2 sheets with a phase drawing and 2 viewports, and the phase construction notes in the center viewport. The erosion control SPD drawing contains 3 sheets with a plan of the erosion control facilities located in 2 viewports and the erosion control notes in a 3rd viewport. For this video, these sheet numbers have 8, 9, and 10. The demolition SPD drawing contains 3 sheets, number 11, 12, and 13, with the demolition work 2 of the planned viewports and the demolition construction notes in a 3rd viewport. The road typical section drawing contains 1 sheet. This is sometimes included with the road improvement drawings, but the road improvement drawings having such a large number of drawings of over 30. For this video, the typical road section will be included with the front end drawings. The drawing contained in the front end may deviate from those illustrated in this video. Several drawings are located at the back of a published set of construction drawings, which for this video include the pavement striping plan drawing and the detail sheet drawing. The striping plan drawing contains 2 sheets, 69 and 70. With the striping work shown in 2 viewports and the striping notes in the center viewport. The details drawing 71, 72, 73, and 74, with the details being shown in various viewports. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.